Good morning, guys. It says morning because it's Saturday morning. This is in response to Nancy's unit train challenge of any flavor, any kind. I don't have a unit train. I do have product trains. I've got two put together, but I've got to decide on which one I'm going to do. I'm only going to do one of them. I hadn't planned to be down here this morning. I planned to be cutting grass. We had some wicked thunderstorms all night last night. It went on for about an hour and a half or so. Amazing. I've never seen that before here. Also, while I'm doing this, I'm going to do a short layout overview. 600 subs kind of sneaked up on me. I think I got 605, somewhere in that number now. Last time I did this, I was down somewhere like maybe 450. So there's a lot of people that, unless they've gone back and looked at old videos, and I've only known two people to actually do that, and I really appreciate that. And I really appreciate all the new subs I got. Thank you, guys. I'm going to do a little short layout overview also while I'm doing this, so I can kill two birds with one stone, so to speak. There's some other challenges out there. I think Ray has a challenge. I don't remember the name of it, with flat cars. I don't have any flat cars, Ray, so I can't do that. Someone has a challenge with passenger cars. Don't have any passenger cars or passenger trains, so I can't do that. I think Vinny has one with a power move. Hopefully I'll get to that one sometime soon. But right now I just want to do this, and I do want to do some work on my layout. Cut grass later on this afternoon. So I appreciate you guys watching, and you guys have a blessed day. Thank you. Adios. Didn't mean to say adios. We're going to start right here. Off to the right is a stub-in yard in an area where I'm going to have a wood industry, but we'll get back to that because I'm going to end it over here. You'll see it better at that time. Right now, this train's coming up about a 2.7% grade across a bridge here. Portion of the about half the layout is about 8 inches below another portion. No, I do not have a double deck. I just wanted to have stuff at different levels. I decided to use my termite train. I call it a termite train. I didn't coin that. It came from someone else. All wood products, Nancy. Pulled by 3 SB40-2s. 2 Southern, 1 Norfolk Western. Hopefully, in the future, I get to develop this bridge area with scenery a little bit more. I started working on another area in scenery, which we'll see in a little while. Haven't gotten far on it, but it's just the area I decided to start because I thought it would be the most difficult area to model. So the first couple of cars were some carrying pulpwood. Then there's about, I didn't count them, but there's quite a few wood chip cars of various sizes and road names. And bringing up the rear here is 4 cars loaded with lumber. Here the train is coming up past a waiting Challange train. This is one of them I thought about running, but I decided to go with my faves, the SDs and the termite train. In the background there you can see there's an engine house and some engines over there. I thought about making a engine facility over there, but I'm not 100% sure I'm going to do that right now. Just don't seem to be enough room to do it properly. There's a 3-track yard with some runarounds tracks on the other side of this train. over here in the corner is my kaolin facility I've been neglecting to continue to work on. It's a kitch batch, scratch bashed combination of different things. I have quite a bit more stuff to do on it rather. It started out, the one only building in there is Walther's, I forgot what they call that big kit anyway, but it's a Walther's kit that I haven't finished because I want to put some lighting in it, plus some other things that I put together there from different pieces and parts. But sooner or later I get to it. Speed this up a little bit. I'm going to be moving my pod here, so sorry if I bump something and get you guys messed up. It's starting to go through my town area. It's just a team track with lumber and other things I'm going to pull off. Unload over there. Starting to go through the town area. I call my town Timpson, from kind of a odd name from the town of Thompson, Georgia, where I grew up for the first, I don't know, what 13, 14 years of my life, near the Georgia Railroad. So just like an F5 tornado hit it right now. Sorry about the bumps, guys. This is a scene I've been working on. It's a pond over here and a stream that's gonna come out right, you can't even see it. They lower the camera a little bit. It's gonna come out right here. Up top there's a spur track that leads off to a propane industry, some abandoned industries over here, and also over to a plastic pellet industry that I'm working on also. We just passed through a area that I started doing some scenery on. This is another area I started doing a little scenery on. Still learning how to do scenery. Took the camera out of the tripod because I kept hitting stuff with it for some reason. And I'm holding it now, so hopefully it'll be a little bit better. The track off to the left there, as you come under the bridge, that's actually the main line. I'm running this on what I'm calling a branch line that will lead back to that yard area that we started out in, that was off to the right. Haven't named that town yet. This is a corn syrup unloading facility that I started working on. It's just some businesses. You can see the other track off in the back. That will be actually the main line. This is my food industry called Sant Foods. And this is just a country store and a restaurant. I haven't named them yet, but I think the restaurant maybe named after my daughter, not 100% sure. And a little country store. Now the train is running back through the area where I'm going to be planning to put my wood industry. I just haven't got to it yet. And it's also going back up the climb back up to the upper area of the layout. This is the yard. It's a 4-track Starband yard. I'm just going to sit here and let you see the whole train now. Speed it up some more. As it's climbing. And we're going to end it right here. Georgia Sunbelt out.